noise, man. This microphone I got be picking up my blower and stuff, man. Man, but I hope everything else has stopped showing. But it's good to hear you sound, my friend. You know, I've been hearing you in and out for the past couple of days, man. It's real good that we got conditions, my friend. It's been a while. Hello to you, Jojo Dancer. You sound real good, real strong, tough self. As you always did, my friend. Take it easy, take care, man. I'm not going to stay too long, because I know the band is full. Jojo Dancer, your friend 85 in Maryland, got down right there.
Let's see who's all out there. Nighthawk, you got them all down right now. Hey, Nighthawk 955, your friend in the star, got on down. Good Lord in the corner, man. Hey, Devil Dog out there around Virginia. See if I can...
Got a good football, college stuff going on today. We're hoping the volunteers over there.
Tennessee, 422 Tennessee, 3065 New Jersey. About that 422 in Tennessee, 3065 New Jersey corner. Tennessee, 3065 New Jersey.
Well, let me get wide to the side. And I'm going to join your talk show, Devil Dog 955, the man got down.
Well, the 6
Right back into enjoying BS for Saturday.
No, it's a delivery of for Santa boy.
Scotland coming in. You got a copy of that guy? Hey, Scotland, how you doing there? You know?
72781, Erie,
Pennsylvania. We got you. Italy Station, southbound here in Kentucky, sir. 329.
Chris always come back to me. A lot of QRM, a big mess on his side, probably same weight as on yours.
They got good kind of radios there. I mean, they're not humming, they're not overmodulated. They sound good. I didn't hear them.
Southern Ontario.
What time was he on?
Man, so... Must be on low-fat mode. Hey, maybe, I don't know, because he was sure making a freaking mess. I even heard the people in the States complaining. Well, he said he called it 27380 Super Bowl. So, I mean, it's probably AM, right? Oh, could be. I don't know, but I never tried AM. I just did on FM. I thought with the kind of a racket he was making, it sounded like an FM to me, but who knows? If I went 385 AM, I could still hear him. But anyway, yeah, we won't tie it up. Crazy conditions today. Well, yeah, I had a hard time talking to Jim there. I know. I heard some Italian guy come in with an echo and was wiping him out. All right. Stand back.
1, United Kingdom. Whiskey Sierra 342, Pennsylvania. Call.